It is February, y'all. It is my birthday month, the best month of the year. I feel like New Year's is New Year's, but for me, my New Year starts in February. I feel like January, I'm literally taking a mental break. Like I'm just like, okay, the holidays, a lot of spending, and just literally like, whoosh. And then February, I just have this burst of energy and I'm super ready to just get shit done. So for the first video of February, I thought why not just get a Valentine's Day look out there, because Valentine's is around the corner. It's weird. I'm not big on Valentine's Day, and I think it's because my birthday is 4 days prior, but I do like to do certain things. I do like gifts.
Closer, closer, closer. A little closer, closer from the last one.
Hey guys, it's Crystal from Nourishing Beauty and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the perfect Valentine's Day look. I wanted to create a look that gave me a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple, a little bit of red, just to celebrate the holiday. So I kind of just blended all of that together and came up with this. And I think it's really pretty and it's really cute. And it was also very easy to do as well. But before we get into the video, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Why not also hit that notification bell so that you're always aware when I post new videos and content? And let's get right into the video. I've already moisturized my skin along with applied my eyeshadow primer and my face primer. I will link the products that I use in the description box below. Typically, I always like to do my skin first, but today I'm just trying to switch it up, you know what I'm saying? Going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection, I'm using her Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2, and I'm going in using the shade C3. That's weird, she doesn't really have the names on it, but it's this like brownish color there. I'm just gonna use that to start to warm up my crease. I don't want to go too far into the crease, so we're just gonna like lightly dust that. Wow guys, totally forgot to do something so important. I've been having an off day today, y'all. It's like I woke up and I don't know, like it's like I don't know up from down. I'm gonna go clean up my brow off camera and come back. We can go back now that I fixed that. Now we can go back into that same palette that I just told you guys about, using that color C3, and we're gonna continue to warm up that crease. And as you can see, I'm going a little bit above my crease because I have tinier eyes, and I know when I'm doing, for the liner look that I'm doing, I do want it to be like, you know, to open up my eyes and make them look a little bit bigger. So yeah, but obviously please do complete the step to what suits you best. If you do have smaller eyes like me, like I don't think mine are super small, but I do like to open up my eye a bit by doing this little trick. You know what I'm saying? Now we're gonna go in with, ooh, this color feels so velvety. Oh, that color's nice. Now we're going into her Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 3, and I'm using the shade C1. I'm gonna get a smaller blending brush for this one. So this is my tinier blending brush. And we're gonna go right in that crease, but we're gonna make that shade a little bit more. We're going right into the crease, and we're using this shade to kind of really define the crease of the eye with a more, I guess, precise line. Because I don't want to do like a cut crease. I want this look to still be very, very soft. Hence why I'm using this type of brush, blending brush. But I also still want that shade to be in one particular part of my eye. As you can see, I'm going right across that whole lid and adding that shade. And now we need a very nice pink shade that says, take me out on a date, you know? That's a little too bright. But I kind of want to add a little bit of purple, a tiny bit of purple. So we're going into the volume 1 palette, and then we're gonna do this shade right here. Yes, that's what I mean. And that is what I need. So I'm going right over those 2 shades, continuing to blend them all together. I cannot use these small mirrors. Like, I feel like I can't see anything. Perfect. Now it's time to go in with the eyelid shade. And I'm looking for a very soft pink. I think that's the one I want. Going back into the volume 3 palette, and I'm using this very soft baby pink here. Very, very pretty. I know it looks a little messy right now. Don't worry, we're gonna clean it up. I feel like there's been so many times where like my makeup has not come out the way I wanted it to come out. And what's always a saving grace is having really good brushes. You can always save a look by trying to blend it a lot more so that a lot of the mistakes look intentional. But don't get me wrong, there's definitely been a few times where I like looked at my face and I was like, we're gonna wipe this off and start from scratch. But that's the beauty of makeup. Sometimes you have really, really good days and sometimes not so great days. But I do love coming up with new looks. It's super fun and always makes me feel like a baddie. You know what I'm saying? This is my BMX42 brush by Mocha Pro. And I'm sorry guys that I never quote what brushes I use, because like, to be really honest, a lot of my brushes, I've had them for so long because they're great quality brushes, the markings have rubbed off and they work perfectly fine, and for some of them I don't really remember where I got them from too. So if you guys are ever curious about what brush, let's try that again, Crystal. If you guys are ever curious about what brush I've used in a tutorial at a certain stage, never hesitate to leave a comment below. I'd gladly find out exactly what brush it was, some way, somehow, and get that info to you. I love when you guys leave me comments on my videos. Makes me feel really special. But yeah, so now that we've put that all over our lid, I want to go back in with that purple shade from the volume, I think it's volume 1. Let's check. Yep, from volume 1. And I'm going to just buff out that harsh line that the pink is kind of blending into and make it a little bit more seamless. Seamless transitions are life. Yeah, this is so pretty. Ooh, I got eyelash on my face. Why are you still here causing trouble? Yeah, that's a really pretty eye. I love this, so cute. Using my Fenty Beauty Fly Liner, I am going to do my liner off camera. I can never do it properly just sitting here. It's always like lopsided, so I'll be right back. I just did my liner, as you can see. Thank God it came out even. Which foundation am I using today? I'm using my Nars Bet. I haven't used my Nars. I feel like I haven't used my Nars foundation in so long. I've been just testing out the Fenty powder for a while, for a couple days. It was kind of good using powder. I mean, it's definitely like different because I feel like I love liquid foundation, but it was good while it lasted. But I miss my Nars, and for this look, Nars just will have to do. Okay, so I've done my foundation. I just added the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC50. And I'm just gonna use the other end of my blending brush. This is one I usually use for my foundation, just to tap it in, because I just want it to add a bit of color to those areas, but I'm still gonna go in with my Fenty stick in Mocha. Yeah, that's pretty nice, nice, and nice. Now going in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, I am going to apply that to highlight and mattify my face. And you're really wanting to make sure when you're applying this, you're pressing it into your skin, because that's how it really, really eliminates that possibility of your makeup moving around on your face. That's not cute. So we're just really applying it underneath the eye. I like to go underneath my eyes first because I find that's what creases first. But obviously if there's another part of your face that you feel needs immediate attention, then you do that. Cute, cute, cute. So now that we've done that, now it's time to finish up my face. And that means I need to add more color, going in with my favorite bronzer ever, my Too Faced bronzer in dark chocolate.
We're just gonna kind of swirl. We're gonna kind of swirl it into the cheeks, because I don't want, remember, we're going for a very soft look, so we don't want it to be too harsh of lines. So we're swirling it into the cheeks, y'all. Swirling. Swirling it, y'all. Swirl. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Let's go ahead and get some blush going. I think this is a blush, and I think this is like a highlighter, but today I'm going to use it for a blush and then add some highlight on top. It's the Nars Orgasm blush. We're going to get our cheeks nice and peachy and Valentine-y. I love this color from Nars because it's, like I said, again, it's versatile. You can use it as a blush or a highlighter, but it also adds this really warm undertone. It's kind of goldish underneath it, so it's a really pretty color up close. Like, boo, you're gonna leave him like drooling. And then I want to go in with my Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder in, I think this is Vanilla Schwartz. Yeah. Oh, Vanilla Quartz. And then we're going to use that as a highlight just to kind of really make sure that you're hitting the angles. You know? And we're really just going to hit that right here. I know you guys see that difference because I for sure did. I'm going to apply that color to my brow. Ew, why did I sound country just now? There we go. Use that finger to buff that out and blend it. Now that we've done that, 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, and I'm just gonna apply that to my brows now that I know I am done with that area. And I'm just literally using the comb to brush it up. Like that. So damn nice. Got my brows looking flaky. It's weird. It's like, it smells like I like the smell, but it also partially kind of smells like glue. It's weird. What I love about this brush is that one side has super dense bristles and then the other side is, they're thinner. So you can really get in there and define that brow perfectly to your liking. Yeah, that's nice. So going in with my Kush mascara from Milk. And we're gonna just define those under eyelashes, really get those popping. Perfect. And then now we can get this lip popping. Ayy.
Now I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Spice Girl. It's their lip pencil. I'm gonna outline that lip.
cute. Now I'm going in with my Tom Ford lip color in Scarlet Rouge. This might be the most moisturizing lipstick I've ever used. It feels like a chapstick. Now I'm gonna go and just finish highlighting my face with my hand, or not my hand, my finger, I should say. Okay. Cute. Whew. And this is the finished look, y'all. This is a perfect Valentine's date night look, giving you a little bit of pink, purple, and red to celebrate the holiday. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next video.